Good morning, everybody. I'm Dr. Sadri, family physician working with Apollo. I'd like to tell you today that the current situation of the COVID-19 is increasing multi-found every single day. Considering this is a flu season, I'd like to tell you some basic facts. Please understand. In general, keeping the COVID apart, during the months of June, July and August, we tend to see a lot of rise in the cases of flu, especially cold, cough, sneezes or allergies or seasonal allergies. During this period, they definitely rise up. But unfortunately, the COVID has been existing since last year, December, and it has been continuing. And this virulence is actually increasing day by day. But not to worry, when we can take our necessary precautions, which we have been doing for the past 4-5 months, I'm sure we can control the COVID-19 if we all stay back at home. As a doctor, it's my duty to step out every single day to save people. But otherwise, if you think you're in a position of job where you can abstain from going, you can sit at home and work from your system or through the phone calls or whatever it is, please do so. Because when you stop yourself from going out, I'm sure you're preventing yourself from spreading the disease, because you could be an asymptomatic carrier. Maybe your immunity is too good, but by not stepping out, you can prevent it from multiplying and spreading it to others. Make sure you stock up your groceries, like the basic rice, dal or whatever, the veggies and all that. Keep them stocked up at home and survive on the basics. Do not try to expense or probably purchase for the luxuries. It's okay to stay back. Few shops, few shopping centers are open and few shopping malls are open, but please don't tempt yourself to step in thinking you can just wear a mask and then go around and shop a little bit and come back. This is not the essential thing right now. Please understand, stay back at home. There are many shops and many things which have not been probably fumigated and not been open for a long time of the months. So let us just give ourselves some space and time and stay back at home. So one more important thing, during these corona times, ensure that only one family member steps out at a time to purchase your groceries by wearing a double mask. As soon as you're back home, quickly clean the groceries under running tap water, clean them with a cloth and put them under hot sun. Also ensure you immediately take your bath and change your clothes and wash the clothes. These are the minimum precautions that we need to take. Since we don't step out every day, I'm sure these things can be followed. This is for your good. Keep a sanitizer outside your house so that as soon as you're coming from out, you can quickly sanitize your hands and open the door lock and get in. That way you're ensuring that as much as possible you don't spread it or contain the infection. Ensure you don't unnecessarily step out. Flu season is, in fact, in general also we tend to get more of cold, cough and all that. Since corona is there, the intensity of panicness increases in everybody. But by practicing these safe methods, you can keep yourself safe. Just let the monsoon be over so that at least we can be 50% relieved from the burden of corona. So I hope these guidelines help you out. Keep yourself safe and help others also. Hope this helps you out. Thank you so much.